chapter number 1, integers. Today we are going to start with exercise 1.1 from question number 1 to question number 5. So let's begin. So let us start with exercise 1.1. So students, open a Maths NCERT book, page number 4. So now let us read together. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So students, in your books you can see this number line drawn. So here 0 is written and right side there are positive integers and left hand side there are negative integers. The question is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. We have to write the temperature of the places which are marked on it. So first let us write the negative integers. We know that left of 0 is -1, -2, -3, -4. -5 is already written, -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10 is already written. So now we have to write the positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So now we have to write the temperature of the places. So let us start with Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti is how much? -8 degree Celsius. So right here, Lahul Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. Then Srinagar is -2. Srinagar -2 degree Celsius. Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. Then Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Ooty 14 degree Celsius. Bangalore is 22 degree Celsius. So right here, Bangalore 22 degree Celsius. Now B part, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So students, hottest place will be the temperature which is highest. So highest temperature is of Bangalore, that is 22 degrees Celsius. And coldest place will be temperature which is lowest, that is -8, Lahul Spiti. We have to find out the difference. So first let us write here hottest place is Bangalore and temperature is 22 degree Celsius. Then write here coldest place is Lahul Spiti and temperature is -8 degree Celsius. Now we have to find out the difference. Students, difference means subtract. आप बड़े नंबर को माइनस करेंगे छोटे नंबर से. So write here difference is equal to 22 degrees Celsius minus -8 degree Celsius. We know that minus plus. So 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius, that is 30 degree Celsius. So this is the difference between hottest place and the coldest place. C part, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So what is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? -8 degrees Celsius. So right here, temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. And what is the temperature of Srinagar? -2 degree Celsius. So right here, temperature of Srinagar, it is -2 degree Celsius. We have to find out difference between both. So students, which number is greater? -2 is greater than -8. So we will find out the difference. So right here, difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So subtract -2 degrees Celsius minus -8 degree Celsius, minus plus. So minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. So 8 minus 2, 6 degree Celsius. Greater number here is 8 and it has plus sign. So answer is 6 degree Celsius. D part, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? So first we have to find out temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Together we will add. So right here, temperature of Srinagar. So what is the temperature of Srinagar? It is given -2 degree Celsius. Then temperature of Shimla. Shimla temperature is given 5 degree Celsius. So now they are saying taken together. We will add. So right here, temperature taken together. So together we will add -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. Minus plus minus. 5 minus 2, 3. Right here, 3 degree Celsius. So here greater number is 5. It has plus sign. Answer will be plus 3 degrees Celsius. Now next part, whether this temperature taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Shimla temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So right here, 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So this statement is yes. Now next part, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Temperature at Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. So right here, 3 degrees Celsius is greater than -2 degrees Celsius. So this statement is no. I hope students these questions are clear. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So students, here you have to find out total. So total marks, if in case it is given +2, +4, +6, +3. So you would have simply added when all the numbers were positive. 2 + 4, 6. 6 + 6, 12. 12 + 3, 15. So in this case, total was 15. So, but here we have negative numbers also. So, right here, total marks at the end. So, total marks at the end, the first number is 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Next step is open the brackets. Plus minus minus. So right here 25 minus 5 plus minus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. First we will add the positive numbers. So positive numbers are 25, 15, 10. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. So right here, 50. Then minus minus plus. 10 plus 5, 15. But the greater number has which sign? Minus sign. So it will be minus 15. So the answer is 35. It will be plus 35. As greater number is 50, it has positive sign. So your answer is plus 35. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. How much temperature it was? Minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. And then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? We have to find out what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. So let us write here Tuesday's temperature. Tuesday's temperature is equal to Monday temperature. Monday's temperature minus 2 degrees Celsius. So Monday's temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. As they said that it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Drop means कम हो गया, घट गया. So it will be minus minus plus. Minus 7 degrees Celsius. As greater number has minus sign, it will be minus 7 degrees Celsius. Next part, on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Students, this rose is not that gulab ka phool. It is not that rose. Rose means बढ़ गया. On Wednesday, temperature increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means बढ़ना. What was the temperature on this day? So right here, Wednesday's temperature. So this Wednesday temperature will be based on Tuesday temperature, not Monday temperature. So right here, Tuesday temperature बढ़ गया by 4 degrees Celsius. Tuesday temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. Minus plus minus. 7 minus 4, 3. So right here, 3 degrees Celsius. Greater number has minus sign. So answer is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. It is floating 1200 meter below the sea level. 0, then it will be negative integer. It will be minus 1200 meter as it is below the sea level. Now, what is the vertical distance between them? We have to find out vertical distance between them. So, students, let us take one example. Suppose one boy moved a distance of 6 km and another boy moved distance of 2 km. We have to find out the distance between both. So, what we will do in this case? We will subtract. So, 6 minus 2 will be 4. That will be 4 km. This is the difference between both the distance. So in the same way, we will do this question number 4. So first let us write here height of the plane. So height of the plane is given 5,000 meter as it is above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine and depth is given. So right here, depth of the submarine. So depth of submarine is given as it is below, it is minus 1200 meter. So what is the vertical distance? Right here, distance is equal to 5,000 meter minus 1200 meter. Minus minus plus. So 5000 meter plus 1200 meter, that is 6200 meter. So vertical distance between them is 6200 meter. Question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdrawal rupees 1642 from it next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? So they are saying the amount which we have withdrawn, it is represented by a negative integer. Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So students, first thing, how much amount is deposited? That is rupees 2000. Then how much amount is withdrawn? That is rupees 1642. Let me give you all one example. If you have rupees 100, out of that rupees 100, if you spend rupees 50, how much will be left? Rupees 50. Similarly here, first step you write amount deposited. So how much amount is deposited by Mohan? That is rupees 2000. Then amount withdrawn. So amount withdrawn by Mohan is rupees 1642. But here they are saying that from the account, the amount which is withdrawn, it is represented by a negative integer. So it will be minus 1642. So here amount withdrawn is already negative. So we will add. हम क्या करेंगे? Add करेंगे. So right here, balance is equal to amount deposited plus amount withdrawn. How much is amount withdrawn? 1642. So right here, rupees 2000 plus minus 1642. If this amount withdrawn would be positive, अगर ये plus होता, we would have subtract. But here it is already in negative, so we are adding. Plus minus minus. So let us subtract 2000 minus 1642. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. So answer is coming rupees 358. The question was, find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is rupees 358. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Colleen Ma'am's class. So chapter number 1, exercise 1.1, question number 1 to question number 5 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. I'll continue in our next class from question number 5. So stay connected, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.